Good afternoon students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, again I am here, your maths teacher for online classes of Gokuldas Public School. Okay, and already we have started new topic, that is addition and subtraction up to 99. And what topic we have done? I think two topics we have done. Addition and subtraction, forward and backward counting, and addition and subtraction on number line. So today the topic that we are going to do is addition on abacus. Okay, addition on abacus. So for that all of you open your textbook, maths textbook and your notebook. Okay, first take out your maths textbook and your notebook. So first I am going to explain you how to add numbers using abacus. So no need to write, just fold your hands and look at the board. Okay. What is our today's topic? Addition on abacus. No need to write, अभी आपको नहीं लिखना है. ओके, अभी आपको नहीं लिखना है. जस्ट नाउ आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू. पहले मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. यू ओनली हैव टू अंडरस्टूड. अभी आपको समझना है हाउ वी ऐड द नंबर्स यूजिंग abacus. Okay, so first suppose we have to add a number 25 plus 30. 25 plus 30. You have to add 25 and 30. Okay, so in addition and in subtraction on abacus we need to draw three abacus. One abacus for 25, one abacus for 13 and one more abacus for your answer. Okay, so see, first I am drawing here one abacus. So how many digits are there? 2 digits number. This is 2 digits number. That means this is ones place and this is tens place. So I am writing here O for ones and T for tens. And since we are adding, so put a sign of plus here. हम यहाँ plus का sign लगाएंगे. Then another abacus. Again write here T and O. T is for tens and O is for ones. Okay. And then sign of equals to and one more abacus, and in this abacus we obtain our result. In this abacus we obtain our result, our answer of plus and minus. So what is the number here? 25. So write here 25. And what is the next number here? 13. Okay, and here we have to obtain a answer. So what is the number here? 5. The ones place digit is 5. So we have to make here 5 beads on abacus. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Ones place digit is 5. So ones place पे कितने beads बनाना है? 5 beads. How many? What is the number at tens place? The number at tens place is 2. The number at tens place is 2. So कितने beads बनेंगे यहाँ पे? Only 2. Understood? Now in the same way we have to put a beads here also. So the number at ones place here is 3. So we have to make here 3 beads. 1, 2 and 3. And the number at tens place is 1. So make here 1 bead only. Okay. In this way first we make a beads on abacus for the given numbers. Now we have to add it. Okay, जब हम ऐड करते हैं तो वंस प्लेस को वंस प्लेस से ऐड करते हैं. कैसे ऐड करते हैं? वंस प्लेस को वंस प्लेस से ऐड करते हैं. So count all the number of beads at ones place. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the number of digit at ones place in both the beads is 8. Okay, so write here 8 and make here 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? Now count all the beads at ones tens place. So number of beads at tens place. 1, 2 and 3. Only 3. So write here 3 and make here 3 beads. 1, 2 and 3. Understood? अभी आपको समझ में आया हमें कैसे ऐड करना है numbers using abacus. Once again I am explaining you. So only you have to look. Okay, how I have numbers on the abacus. 25, so write here 25. 13, so write here 13. Now draw the number of beads according to the number. Here ones place digit is 5, so make here 5 beads. Here tens place digit is 2, so make here 2 beads. Here ones place digit is 3, so make here 3 beads. Here tens place number is 1, so make it ones. Okay, in this way we have placed number of beads. Okay, now what is our next step? We have to add. So we have to add ones place. We have to add all the beads at ones place in this number also and in this number also. दोनों abacus के ones place के जो beads हैं उनको count करना. कैसे count किया? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have written here 8 and we draw here 8 beads. Okay. Now we have to add the number of beads at tens place. So 1, 2 and 3. So write here 3 and make here 3 beads. And what is the answer? 38. So write here 38. In this way we add the given numbers using abacus. I hope all of you have understood how we have added number using abacus. Now all of you open your notebooks fast. Take out new page and start writing with me. Okay? And start writing with me. Now take out new page. Write date today. What is the date today? Write here date. Write here date and write addition on the abacus. Right? Write the question. Addition. ADDITION. Oh, wait beta, I am writing little bit down because it is not visible. Now our board is smaller, so addition ADDITION. Addition on abacus. 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 Full stop. Write the question. Addition on abacus. Addition on abacus. Addition on abacus. Okay. Now write the first question A. What is the number at A? See, draw the abacus. The number is 2 to 22. Draw with me. Write T and O and write here 2 to 22 plus. Make one more abacus. T and O. And what is the number here? 1, 1, 11. Then put the sign of equals to here. Make one more abacus. Right here also T and O. And you have to write here answer. Okay. What is the answer? Now start drawing the beads. What is the number here? 2. So make here 2 beads. 1, 2. What is the number here? 2. Make 2 more beads. 1, 2. Okay. Now what is the number here? 1. So make here 1. What is the number here? 1. Write fast. This much write fast. Now add first add the number of beads at ones place. All the beads drawn on both the abacus at ones place. So count 1, 2 and 3. So write here 3 and draw here 3 beads, 1, 2 and 3. Now count the number of beads drawn at tens place. Okay, so count 1, 2 and 3. Again 3. So write here 3 and make here 3 beads. In this way we get answer 33. So write fast. Write fast. I hope all of you have done. Now the second question. B. Leave one box and write B. B. Question is 32 T and O. 32 plus, draw with me, 32 plus 10, 32 plus 10 is equals to, or here you will get the answer. What is the answer? You will get it. Okay, now what is the number at tens place, ones place here? The number at ones place here is 2. So draw here 2 beads, 1, 2. Okay. Now what is the number at tens place here? 3. So draw here 3 beads, 1, 2, 3. Now next, the number here at ones place is 0. So 0 beads, that means no need to draw beads here. The number at ones place here, tens place here is 1. So draw here ones, only 1. Draw it fast. Now first add number of beads at ones place. So how many beads here? 1, 2, 0. That means 1 and 2. Only 2. So write here 2 and draw here 2 beads. Now count the number of beads at tens place. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So write here 4 and draw here 4 beads. 2, 3, 4. Okay, write it fast, note it down. all of you have written. Now the next question. See, I am rubbing it. You can pause your video. If you have those students who have not written, you can pause the video and then write, or if you want you can take the screenshot also and then write. Okay, and it is better अगर आप अपने खुद से करेंगे, because I hope all of you have know how to edit. चलो next question. C, right? C, draw the abacus. What is the number? 42. 42 plus, draw next abacus. What is the number? 12. Then one more abacus for your answer. Okay. Now, what is the number here? Number here is 2. So, draw here 2 beads. 1, 2. What is the number here? 4. So, draw here 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, what is the number here? 2. So, draw here 2 beads. 1, 2. And what is the number here? 1. So, draw here only 1 bead. Okay. Write fast. Write fast. Now count it. Count first. Count the number of beads at ones place. How many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of beads at one place is 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4 and made here 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now count the number of beads at tens place. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many beads? 5. So write here 5 and draw 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Write it fast. Write it fast in your notebook. Now the next question, D. D. First, draw the abacus. What is the number? 5, 4, 54. 5, 4. Plus, draw another abacus. What is the number? 2, 1, 21. Draw one more abacus for your answer. Okay. Now see what is the number at ones place? 4. So how many beads draw? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. number at tens place? 5. So draw 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now draw the number of beads on the second abacus. So the number at ones place is 1. So only 1 bead. And here the number at tens place is 2. So draw here 2 beads. Write this much. Now add it. So first add the number of digits at ones place, add the number of beads at ones place. So count 1, start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 5. Okay, so write here 5 and draw 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now draw the number of beads at tens place. So count the number of beads at tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write here 7 and draw here 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the answer of 54 plus 21 is 75. Note it down fast. Now the last question. E, not the last question. E. First draw the abacus. Plus okay, so write the number. What is the number? One, 3, 13. Number is 1, 3, 13. So write here 1, 3, 13. And what is the number here? 3. Only 3 is there. That means what is the place value of 3 here? 10. So write here 3. And the ones place is not written. So I am writing here 0. Okay. Because tens place digit is not there. So I am writing 0. If you want to write, you write 0. Otherwise you leave it blank also. Okay. Now place the number of beads. 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. So only 1. Again 3, 1, 2, 3, 0. So empty, khali. If 0 is there, then you know you don't have to draw the beads there. Okay. Now add it. Add the number of beads at ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write here 6 and make here 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now count the number of beads at tens place. 1, only 1 because here is 0. So write here 1 and draw here 1. Write it fast. So the answer of 13 plus 3 is 16. So the last question remains, that is 21 plus 2. So this F, the last question is homework for you. Okay, the last question F is homework for you. Oh, and for today it is sufficient. So we will meet in our next lecture. And what is the topic? Subtraction on abacus. And make sure that you will do the homework. Only one question is homework for you, F. Okay. Bye students. Have a nice day.